Hi everybody and welcome. Today I'm going to tell you how you can easily download maps on Google Maps. If you ever wanted to go abroad and wanted to have Google Maps with you, you just have to do a very simple trick. You just have to download offline maps. To do so, at first you have to tap on some landmark. It doesn't really matter where. I prefer to touch the location you want to download, and then you have to scroll to the right here and tap more. Here, download offline map, and as you can see, here we have our map. We can zoom in to download this area or zoom out. For example, we can download this area as our maximum. As you can see, we can download almost whole Slovakia or Czechia. Here we have to just tap on download, and the download link will begin and start in the background. That's it, hope it helps you, and goodbye.